HP app for PCs, how to run hardware tests. The HP app is your go-to for managing your HP device and accessories. To find diagnostic tests to check hardware components on your device, scroll down to the Troubleshooting and Fixes tile. The Troubleshooting and Fixes support feature provides access to HP troubleshooting tools you can use to diagnose and fix system issues so that your PC performs at its peak. To run diagnostic tests on PC hardware components, click Run Hardware Tests. The HP PC Hardware Diagnostics tool launches and provides options to analyze and optimize the system. Make sure to sign into your account in order to access HP support. You can view system information, as well as check and diagnose hardware components on the system. You can run various scans on your system. There are also links to additional diagnostic tools you can use to improve system performance. For guided troubleshooting or to contact a support agent, you can click Support options. You can run various system checks to optimize your system. Alternately, you can return to the HP app.